All right, going on another adventure. Heading off to Jamieson River. Check the setup. Fully stocked and loaded. Got a fresh fishing rod. Heaps of tackle. Few lures. Got the swag. Got the awning. And we're ready to go. Bit of food on the way. 3.5 hour drive. Hopefully it doesn't feel like 3.5 hours. Hopefully it feels like an hour. So see you on the other side. Where are we going, boys?
Fucking fishing, boys.
Let's go, baby!
Let's go!
Come on, come get involved in the music. Enjoy the river.
Backstroke.
It's like us, maybe we were born to run.
Well, once again, I find myself in a little kayak on a camping fishing trip, cruising down the river, a few frothies, just paddling downstream, down the Jamieson River, hoping to sort of catch a redfin or two, would be nice, or 3, or a trout, or a cod, whatever. Whatever I can get my hands onto, I'll be happy with. Just in case no one believes me, little redfin. Fucking oath. These lures work a treat. You ripper. What do they say? The old kiss and release. See you, boy.
I'll just send us down.
Pushing me in the right direction anyway.
I've got you, bro. I'll just let the current take us.
You can see on some of the fences and shit down further how deep the water was.
As in, like some of the fences that are built up with the shit in them.
Heads!
Straight in the Lake Hilda. So this is the meeting point of Jamieson River, and over there is the Golden, and that is the start of Lake Hilda.
Yeah, right. So that's on the map, that's a big blue bit.
That is huge. I think it's the biggest lake in Victoria, isn't it? Or Epplewell. No, I mean Hilda.
Eildon, yeah.
Hilda's been the biggest lake in Victoria.
I've already have. Talking.
Gotta get the drink over, mate.
Now he's living.
Absolutely. Make use of it.
This is hard work.
Better have a sip.
Living.
What are we doing today, Brewster?
The big travelling band.
Where are we going?
Yeah, get it. To Jamieson, all the way.
How far is it downstream?
Actually, Clance.
Catch. Yeah, boy!
We got to turn around, bro.
Oh.
Wait, turn around. You fucking paddle, man.
Man, I'm trying to focus.
Fuck, I tell you what would be so epic. Imagine being some fucking absolute beast and going the whole way upstream. Just like, ooh.
I'd have a crack.
Yeah.
Fucking oath, man.
I'm pulling it in for an empty out.
Hey, how's you gonna empty?
Empty me load.
Yeah, built up a bit too much.
Yeah, absolutely. He's pulling in. Oh!
You alright, buddy?
Just tripping on sticks.
Like, oh, I'm gonna go. I can't believe the baggy liked it though. Like, that was airtight.
Yeah, we were fucking in the water.
I wish he didn't get wet. He actually didn't get wet.
So I was like, hold my head above the water. I couldn't swim because I had I pretty much thought we would. As soon as we went down, I'm like.
So along the Jamieson River, you'll see historical landmarks that have shaped the countryside
The Alpine region.
of the Mansfield Shire. Here we have Lewis Breen, who's our tour guide for the day. Yeah! Oh, he's gone! No! Brewster!
Oh, g'day there. Welcome to the Jamieson River. As we work down, we're planning on meeting up with the Goulburn River on our way into Lake Eildon. These are all, Lake Eildon is the main catchment of the Alpine region, and this is where it runs.
So enjoy the veins of Jamieson River history. So here we have the Brewery Bridge.
Break the chain, baby, break the chain.
There's actually mud crabs at the base of this chain.
What do we got?
Ah, it's holding their pump up.
I can hear more rapids.
Right, we're just approaching some rapids. Level 1 in the rapid industry, but like probably feels like maybe a 5 for us. I don't know if I'm going to be able to film it at the same time. I'll give it a go though. Fuck. 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 Woo! Yeah! Oh, he's gone! No! Brewster! Holy fuck! Oh, Eugene! Oh! Oh, he fucked me! Brewster! No! Oh, fuck me beard! Oh! Eugene's down too! Oh, these rapids are beautiful. Not even really rapids, they're just like nice river currents, but they're fucking just heaps of fun. Cruise through them. Oh, heaps of water over the bow that one. It's happening starboard. Shit. Graceful, boys. Graceful. I got ya, I got ya. Oh.
Fuck, man.
Oh.
I think once you guys help me out. find it a bit hectic tonight, so I was like,
I sent it way up there and you're like, let's go. And then as soon as
go,
we hit
jump,
it,
pull.
you just jumped out.
And there was like, come around this corner and there's like a cutting inside of the road. And someone had sprayed a target, yeah. And I'm like, do people stand on the hill up there and shoot that? Is that what that's for? I don't know. But like, that's pretty loose. Imagine if a car.
I've literally pulled up here because I know that these guys are going to crash into the trees for sure through that bit. Oh, he's at! Breaching! Oh! Oh shit! This is too good. I'll go up and have a look at this field up here. We'll just... There's one like that sort of drops. There's one that sort of drops. Maybe like a metre down.
are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you serious?
It's like a little whoosher.
Oh yeah, we'll have to.
It's not crazy. Like
Get off.
No, you won't. You'll dive down it for sure.
Hey, this thing just goes straight. Oh no, I've done it.
Lay back like that.
Yeah.
The classic, like a toboggan man. I know. Oh.
No, paddle other side, Charles. Other side. Yeah. You paddle that side. Hey, look at that.
Obstacles everywhere.
You never want to come into the rapid spark. When you come into the rapid, look at it, and go back.
Is that a zip line? It is too. Wow, that's cool as. Zip line. Straight across. Boom. Delivering. Oh shit, I better sort this shit out. Here we go.
That shrubbery was we literally flipped. I lost hold of the boat.
Down here.
Yeah, I lost hold of the boat and I looked up and think, fuck, Gumboot was on. I was holding Gumboot like by the waist, pulled myself up and then he's like, my oar! So I just let myself going. But it was like, it's like I was paralysed and my legs were just dragging along the rock. It's so funny.
Ah, this is so basic, but I am having the time of my life. We're just fucking canoeing down river, having an absolute blast. Cats are falling off down the little rapids. This shit is just, yeah, this is living. Look at this valley. That is beautiful. Jamieson River, who would have thought? Cows are curious. Coming in for a bit of a look.
Yeah, no. Oh, how's this little entry point just here? That's gonna be the cows go through, I reckon.
Where's his oar? Where's his oar?
Oh man, we absolutely killed that. Did you go over?
No, I just come crashing into you.
I don't know what to do that. I got
This is the best moment of my life. This is fucking hilarious. Capsizing on the rag, lost oars. We've got fucking about a kilometre to go down river. Yeah, would have been pushing it.
I'll take the You can take a photo when we get out, bro.
He just likes battling yards, or.
We live!
Gets out, no kneecap.